At noon, Baptist Memorial rolls out 10 Baptist urgent care centers, and many of them will be located right here in North Mississippi. And joining us live from Nashville to discuss the great news is Dr. Matt Browning, the Chief Medical Officer of Urgent Team Family of Urgent Care and Walk-In Centers. Thank you, Dr. Browning, for joining us. How are you doing this afternoon?
Very well, thank you. And thank you for the invitation.
And thank you so much, as always, for joining us. So tell us about the partnership. Why was it critical for Urgent Team to partner with Baptist?
We're very excited about this collaboration with Baptist Memorial Healthcare. We all know that access to health care is an issue, and very much in parts of the area that you are covering in North Mississippi. We have some offices that were already in the area providing urgent care coverage, but with this collaboration and partnership with Baptist Memorial Healthcare, we now have access to their specialty care, to their imaging, to their testing centers, to their therapies, and we like the opportunity to be the first person, the point of entry for a patient into the Baptist healthcare field.
Now, when it comes to patients' access, what can they expect when they visit Baptist Urgent Care?
A great question. And first, just wanted to say that we're open 7 days a week at our locations, and so that's one of the ways that we can increase access to care for the communities that we serve. When you come in, we offer urgent care services, which most people are familiar with. If you have a cough or a cold, spring sports are starting up, so if you have a sports injury, we also are able to do point of care testing for strep, COVID, flu. We can check for bladder infections. We also have radiology services on site. And so you will be checked in, triaged, and treated by one of our providers. And we will then use that as a point that if you need further services, we can use our collaboration with Baptist to be able to get you to the right medical partner to continue your care.
Now, how will this actually strengthen Baptist's presence here in North Mississippi?
Well, as you know, they are already one of the nation leaders as far as as far as medical care in your area. And this collaboration is only going to help to expand their coverage of the area for non-emergent and walk-in visits. And so we're going to be able to take walk-ins, as well as patients will be able to use our website to reserve a spot through our Hold My Spot portal. With being open 7 days a week, that's going to allow people whose work hours do not allow them to visit with their primary care doctor during traditional office hours. We have extended hours on weekdays, plus hours on Saturday and Sunday. So more opportunity for them to be able to be seen around their schedule.
Okay, now the 4 locations in North Mississippi, Tupelo, Starkville, West Point, as well as, and I cannot think of the 4th one right now. Yeah, okay. Thank you so much, Dr. Browning. Why those particular areas, and do you hope to expand?
Yes, these were already some of our freestanding urgent cares before the collaboration, and so it was just perfect fitting for us to be able to bring them under the Baptist Urgent Care brand. And yes, we are continuing to work in that area and look at demographics where there are underserved areas where we can stand in the gap of that access to care issue. You can come in and be seen, and if you have trouble getting in with your primary provider, we can fill in that gap for medication refills, referrals, laboratory tests, and we look forward to expanding further in the region.
All right, then. Well, thank you so much there, Dr. Matt Browning, for joining us live today from Nashville.
Thank you.
Check out